In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord installation has failed. Now first what we want to try is simply come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, look for any Discord device that you have open. If you head over to Details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press D, you'll see all your Discords. What you want to do is end task and make sure no more Discord is opened. After this, just try and launch it again and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for run, percentage app data percentage, press OK. In here, find your Discord folder and delete it. Now don't worry, it's gonna regenerate when we try and do the Discord, so don't worry about it. Now after that, what you can do is you can try and locate your Discord or your Discord installation. In here, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now if you just got the Discord installer, you're just gonna head into your downloads folder and do this trick on the installer. Now if this doesn't work, what you can do is search for VPN and make sure you don't have a VPN on. So make sure you disconnect from your VPN. Now, and as a last tip, when you go to download the Discord, what you want to do is try a different browser. So if you tried with Google Chrome and it didn't work, just try and use Microsoft Edge or Firefox or something like that and see if that one works. Now those are the current ways that you can do it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.